Because it looks like you have a rental.
We literally told, like, all agreed to his fucking recording.
I don't come that often, so like, what's the money worth?
I come every week, so.
Oh.
That's why I have so much gear.
Second weekend every time we go, like, there's so much every once in a
I didn't go 2 weeks ago because I was interested in watching the Formula 1 race that was that day. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow because the F1 posts like the highlights of the race, so I'm just gonna look at that. Because actually no, I'll be home in time, so I'll just be able to watch it because it starts at 4.
How far do you live from here?
Huh?
How far do you live from here?
30 minutes.
Same.
Yeah, I live back in Wake Forest.
Oh, wow.
You live in Raleigh?
Yeah. Apex, Cary, Raleigh, like literally.
I used to. I used to live in Cary. What school do you go to?
I'm about to go to Apex High.
Alright, stand by. Game's about to start. Ref is getting in position.
I'm about to go to Wake Forest High School.
Ready?
That's a lot better.
Yeah, go right, left.
We're going right or left?
Run!
I just got there and I already got hit.
Yeah, I saw you walking back with your hand up.
Don't we have 3 lines?
Yeah.
That's annoying. I'll push up a little bit.
Alright.
Let me go to the blue.
Yeah, go to the next blue one. Coming down. Get down. They know where we are.
Heard stuff.
Huh?
Heard stuff. He's loud.
Yeah.
He's hot.
Hey, how's the loss going so far?
No, I'm not.
You can't.
No, you can't put your barrel in there.
One coming down. He's close. Right between that tree's near that red car, but a bit higher. Oh, that scared me.
Good breath. Hard to hit with the breath.
Yeah.
Better for us though, for cover.
Moving to this blue one. Yeah, I'm trying to go around. You should have told him to pick me. Now y'all are gonna lose. Maybe. Pretty comfy. Yeah. Just make sure to stay camo like you are. Here, I'll move up a little so you can get right here.
I'm silent.
Got it. Three. Oh wow, that's quiet. Mine's loud, so I'm not gonna shoot. Got it. Huh? Copy. Moving closer. Copy. I'm still not gonna shoot too loud. Stay quiet, stay quiet. They don't know where we are. Just be ready to shoot, because we're on their side. Grenade. Right here, right here, right. Oh, no. Down. Stay low, stay low. You don't want to know where you are. Go behind the wheel. Soon. Not yet, not yet. Go. Hey, hey, when they call 10 seconds, shoot like hell. Go! Hit! Got it. Yep, wind it. Unless you're out. Is that a mid cap? Is that a mid cap? Like the magazine type. No, because I'm actually gonna try and get kills unlike you. Honestly, we might beat y'all again.
I thought you were down there. You not run down?
Oh, backwards. You put the bag backwards.
I did?
Yeah. I can see much better now. Oh. Oh, sorry. I didn't know he called hit. Alright.
That one's not good. Oh, God.
Oh, I'm being shot at. I can see BBs hitting in front of me.